we're diving into the world of window replacement and installation.
Whether you're upgrading for energy efficiency or just giving your home a fresh look, I've got you covered with some essential tips and tricks.
So grab your tools, let's get started.
First things first, let's talk about tools.
You'll need a tape measure, a level, a pry bar, a hammer, a screwdriver, caulking gun, and of course, safety goggles and gloves. Having the right tools can make all the difference in this project.
Next up, measurement is key.
Before purchasing your new window, measure the height, width, and depth of the window opening. Make sure to measure from multiple points to ensure accuracy.
Remember the old adage, measure twice, cut once.
Now, it's time to remove the old window.
Start by removing any window treatments and hardware.
Then, carefully pry off the trim and sash stops using a pry bar.
Be cautious not to damage the surrounding area. Once the old window is out, it's time to install the new one.
Apply a bead of cork around the outside edge of the window opening. Then, carefully lift the new window into place, ensuring it's centered and level.
Sealing is crucial for energy efficiency and weatherproofing. Apply a generous bead of cork along the exterior perimeter of the window. This will prevent any draft or moisture from sneaking in. Lastly, safety first. Always use proper safety gear when working with tools and materials. Take your time, follow manufacturer instructions, and don't hesitate to seek professional help if needed. And there you have it.
With these tips, you'll be a window replacement pro in no time.
Thanks for tuning in, and happy DIY!